Welcome back to another CodeHS Python tutorial. Today we're helping Tracy the Turtle draw a bracelet of 36 evenly spaced beads. This lesson focuses on functions, loops, and strategies for simplifying repetitive tasks. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, ensure you're watching in 1080p for clarity. Click the gear icon below, select Quality, and choose 1080p. If you need subtitles, enable closed captions by clicking CC. To change the language, go to the gear icon, select Subtitles, and choose your preferred language. For example, to switch to Spanish, si prefieres subtítulos, haz clic en el botón CC. Para cambiar los subtítulos a español, selecciona Subtítulos en el ícono de configuración y elige Español. Our task is to draw a bracelet with 36 beads, each with a radius of 10 pixels. The bracelet must have a diameter of 200 pixels and be drawn in a counterclockwise direction. Tracy will return to the center between each bead. To achieve this, we'll use functions to manage repetitive steps and a for loop to automate bead placement. A function is a reusable block of code designed for a specific task. It saves time, reduces errors, and keeps your code organized. For this project, we'll define a function, makeBead, to handle all steps needed to draw a single bead. Here's how it's written. This function groups the commands that moves Tracy forward, draws a bead, and returns to the center def makeBead. Forward 100. Moves Tracy to the bead's position, pen down, hashes, lowers the pen to start drawing circle 10, draws a bead with a radius of 10 pixels, pin up, lifts the pen to avoid unwanted lines, backward 100, and returns. Tracy to the center. By using makeBead, we avoid rewriting these steps 36 times. It's efficient, clean, and reduces the risk of errors. To space the beads evenly around the bracelet, we calculate how much Tracy needs to turn after each bead. A circle has 360 degrees, and with 36 beads, dividing 360 by 36 gives us 10 degrees. So left 10 ensures each bead is placed evenly, forming a perfect circle. Now, let's combine what we've learned into a full program. Set Tracy's drawing speed to the fastest speed, 0. Let's define the function to draw one bead, def makeBead, forward 100, pen down, circle 10, pen up, backward 100. Now let's use a loop to draw 36 beads, turning 10 degrees after each. Pen up. This command lifts the pen to avoid drawing lines for I in range 36. This causes the function and left command to loop 36 times, creating 36 beads. Make bead. Call the makeBead function left 10, turn 10 degrees counterclockwise. Here's a summary of how this code works. Speed 0 sets Tracy to her fastest speed. makeBead is the function that handles the commands used to draw one bead. The for I in range 36. Loop ensures Tracy repeats these steps 36 times. Left 10 spaces each bead evenly around the circle. Run your program and click Check Code to verify it. If something looks off, check for these common errors. 1. Misspelled commands and syntax issues. Ensure commands like pinup and circle are lowercase and include parentheses and the colon for loops and functions. 2. Incorrect turns. Verify the turn is left. 10. For counterclockwise placement. 3. Spacing issues. Confirm the loop iterates exactly 36 times and that the functions and commands under the loop are indented by placing the cursor before the command or function and press the tab button. Once your bracelet is complete, try customizing it. Save and submit your code, then copy it into the CodeHS sandbox to experiment further. If you would like to experiment in the CodeHS sandbox, you can adjust bead size by changing circle on 10 to another value, and try adding colors to the beads using the color command. For example, for I in range 36, color blue. Make bead left 10. Challenge yourself to add multiple colors or modify the spacing to create unique patterns. Today we helped Tracy draw a bracelet using functions and loops, calculated spacing with left 10, and learned how to streamline repetitive tasks. Functions and loops are powerful tools that make coding more efficient and enjoyable. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your work to help others. Collaboration reinforces your learning and builds community. If you have questions, reach out in class, on Teams, or via email. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video.